Welcome to English with Ammy.
Hello, friends, and a very warm welcome to you. I am so glad you could join me today. We are going to learn something that is, very simple, but oh so important in English. So, have you ever looked at these three little words, is, am, are, and felt just a little bit confused? If you have, you are not alone. Many people feel this way when they start learning English. But I have some great news for you. There is no need to worry at all. I promise you, learning to use these words is actually very easy. And by the end of our little chat today, it's going to be super clear. Okay, so are you ready? Let's get right into it. The secret to getting these words right every single time is just one simple rule. This is the most important thing to remember, so listen close. Here it is. It's just three little steps. First, you always use am with the word I. That's a special pair. They always go together. Next, you use is whenever you're talking about just one person or one thing. Simple, right? And finally, you use are when you're talking about many people or many things, so more than one. And that's it. That is the whole rule. See? Easy. Now, knowing the rule is one thing, but seeing it work is even better. So let's look at some examples to see how this simple rule works in actual sentences. Let's start with our first one. I am a student. You see, the word is I, so we use am. They go together just like we said. And here is another one just to be sure. I am happy today. Once again, it starts with I, so am is our word. Perfect. Okay, now what about is? Look at this sentence. He is a doctor. Now, he is how many people? Just one, right? So our rule says we have to use is. And it's the same for things, not just people. For example, the book is on the table. We are talking about just one single book, so again, we use is. And last but not least, let's look at are. Here's our sentence. They are playing. Now, they means it's more than one person, so we use are. It also works for many things. For example, the flowers are beautiful. We are not talking about just one flower. We are talking about lots of them, so we use are. It makes sense, doesn't it? You are doing so well. I think you're really getting it. So now it is your turn to give it a try. Let's do a little bit of practice just to check if you've got that simple rule down. Okay, here's the first one. I blank reading a book. What do you think? Remember our special rule for the word I. What goes in that blank space? Have a think. Alright, question number 2. She blank my best friend. Now, think about it. She is one person, so what is the correct word here? And for our next one, my cat blank sleeping. How many cats are we talking about? That's right, just one. So which word do we need? Okay, next up, we blank going to the park. Remember the word we means more than one person. So which word fits in here? And here we are, our last practice question. The birds blank singing. Are we talking about one bird or many birds? What's the answer? Okay, time's up. Shall we check your answers? And remember, it doesn't matter if you got any wrong. Practice is the best way to learn. Let's see how you did. Here are all the correct answers. Number 1, I am reading a book. Number 2, she is my best friend. For number 3, my cat is sleeping. Then we have, we are going to the park. And for the last one, the birds are singing. So how did you do? I am sure you did wonderfully. So what is the most important thing we learned today? It is to always remember this one simple rule. Let's just say it one more time together. I with am, one with is, and many with are. It really is that easy. You have done a fantastic job today, really. You now know the secret to using is, am and are perfectly. So now I have a question for you. Where will you use these words today? Go on, try to make your own sentences. Thank you for learning with me.